and whistles, rushing to and fro. He's the really useful engine we adore.
Oops, sorry.
He's the one.
Oh,
He's the
oh,
one.
oh.
He's the really useful engine that we adore. He's the one. He's the one you know. Thomas the Tank Engine.
Oh, that's very useful, isn't it? Having another small engine to get in the way.
He's still learning, Gordon. I'm just showing him what to do.